So next one, define account groups. 19th one, OB D4. Okay. Click on execute new entries. Now, what is this account groups? In business, lot of books. We cannot do everything in single book. Rent, I need to keep separate rent book. Purchase, I have to keep one book. Sale, I have to keep one book. For miscellaneous income, I have to keep one book. For bank, I have to maintain book. This is the olden days story. This is the olden days. They were maintaining full books in the racks. Now we are in digital format. So that book is called an account. That account should be created in SAP. And that similar kind of accounts, all asset related accounts, I'll create one group. All expenses related, one more group. Income related, one more group. Why? In future, if I want to get any reports, I can get easily group wise. My manager was, what is the total expenses? Very simple. I'll select that group and I'll pull it. My manager will ask, what is the total revenue? Total revenue, he will ask. Again, he will ask me, what is the sale revenue only for domestic India? What is the revenue only for international? That breakup, if I want, I need to create another two books. So, but entire thing, I can create it as a groups, right? Revenue one group, income one group, expenses one group, or assets one group. That's what I'm going to do here. Grouping of GL accounts. Let me create here. I told you here in chart of accounts, are boss, whatever you are doing in general ledger, you have to do under chart of accounts. Okay, now chart of accounts is the boss, but this chart of accounts is already assigned to your company code. Now give the chart of accounts BR40, no company code, only chart of accounts. Group 1000. Liabilities. I will create liabilities from 1 lakh to 1 lakh 99,999. BR40, 2000. Assets. This is the assets. BR40, 3000. Income. Income. BR40. Expenses. This is the expenses. That means I have divided all my books into these categories. Sir, do I need to follow the same thing? Right now, follow the same thing. In real time, if they change, you can change. But practicing, use the same format. In real time, they will say, Niranjan, I will follow assets for one series. Okay, create it. What is your problem? No problem. They'll come and say that liabilities, I'll use two series. No problem. Again, they'll come and ask some other client, they'll ask you, in liabilities, I need two subgroups. Like long-term liabilities, one group. Short-term liabilities, one group. Other liabilities, one group. Okay, create it. No problem. Then divide these ranges like 1 lakh 100 to 1 lakh 500 one range. Like that, you can divide it. So, but now this is enough. I told you I'll give you one project right at end. In that project, I'll give you in real time how did I create, how many groups I have created. I'll give you in that project. There you'll understand it. Okay. Now, why I have taken this 1000, 2000, 3000? It's a code actually. It's a shortcut for this liabilities. Sir, I don't want 1000. I want LI liability shortcut, LIB. Yeah, you can take that also, no problem. So 1000, why I have given this one series means from 1 lakh to 1 lakh 999. That's what my assumption, and that will help you later. So that will help for sorting also. So I'll I'll try to help you like this. So oh, sorry. While creating books, that is general ledgers going forward, this will help you like the sorting. 1000 for liabilities, 2000 for sorting. Sorting means, see, one series is coming first, two series is coming second, three series is coming. It's not based on alphabets, it's based on numeric, right? That's why I have given 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000 for sorting. If you are giving alphabets, you will not get that sorting option. So just for our benefit, SAP says you can keep 1, 2, 3, 4 also, no problem. SAP says if you keep ABCD also, no problem. But this is the best thing for our business. So we'll follow like this, no problem. Save. Got it? So we have completed how to create a group.